How to update personal information in Nanobanana.AI. Are you guys facing issues to update personal information in Nanobanana.AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To update your personal information in Nanobanana.AI, first of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for Nanobanana.ai website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account. Once you get logged in, navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section. Here, you can view your current details such as name, email address, phone number, and other personal information. Tap Edit next to the information you want to update. Make the necessary changes and save or update. Some changes, like email or phone number, may require verification via through a code sent to your new contact details. Always double check the information before saving, as accurate details are important for account security and transaction verification. If you face any issues, make sure to check the help or support section on nanobanana.ai. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.